Karakoram Highway is known by its initial KKH, also known as N35 for National Highway, or the China-Pakistan Friendship Highway, is a 1300-kilometer national highway which extends from Hassan Abdal in the Punjab province of Pakistan to the Khunjra Pass in Gilgit-Baltistan, where it crosses into China and becomes China National Highway 314. The highway connects the Pakistani provinces of Punjab and KPK plus GB. The highway is a popular tourist attraction and is one of the highest paved roads in the world, passing through Karakoram mountain range at the maximum elevation of 4714 meter or 15,000 plus feet near Khunjra Pass. Due to its high elevation and the difficult conditions in which it was constructed, it is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. The highway is also a part of the Asian Highway. Now let's talk about its history. The Karakoram Highway, also known as the Friendship Highway in China, was built by the governments of Pakistan and China. It was started in 1959 and was completed and opened to the public in 1979. Pakistan initially favored routing through Mintaka Pass in 1966, China citing the fact that the Mintaka would be more susceptible to airstrikes, recommended the steeper Khunjra Pass instead. About 810 Pakistanis and about 200 Chinese workers lost their lives, mostly in landslides and falls. While building the highway, our 140 Chinese workers who died during the construction are buried in Chinese cemetery in Gilgit. The route of the KKH traces one of the many parts of the ancient Silk Route. On the Pakistani side, the road was constructed by FW, famously known as Frontier Works Organization, employing the Pakistan Armed Corps of Engineering. The Engineer-in-Chief branch of Pakistan Army completed a project documenting the history of the highway. The book History of Karakoram Highway was written by Brigadier Muhammad Mumtaz Khalid in 2 volumes. In the first volume, the author discusses the land and the people, the prehistoric communication system in the northern areas, the need for an all-weather road link with Gilgit, and the construction of Indus Valley Road. The second volume records events leading to the conversion of the Indus Valley Road to the Karakoram Highway, the difficulties in its construction and the role of Pakistan armies of engineering and their Chinese counterparts in its construction. The highway connecting the Gilgit-Baltistan region to the ancient Silk Route runs approximately 1300 km from Kashgar, a city in Xinjiang region of China, to Abbottabad of Pakistan. An extension of the highway southwest from Abbottabad in the form of N35 highway meets the Grand Trunk Road or GT Road N5 at Hassan Abdal, Pakistan. The highway cuts through the collision zone between the Eurasian and Indian plates, where China, Tajikistan, Afghanistan and Pakistan come within 250 km of each other. Owing largely to the extremely sensitive state of Kashmir conflict between India and Pakistan, the Karakoram Highway has strategic and military importance to these nations, but particularly Pakistan and China. On 30 June 2006, a Memorandum of Understanding was signed between the Pakistani National Highway Authority and Chinese state-owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission to rebuild and upgrade the Karakoram Highway. According to SASAC, the width will be expanded from 10 to 30 meter and its transport capacity will be increased 3 times its current capacity. In addition, the upgraded road will be designed to particularly accommodate heavy laden vehicles and extreme weather conditions. China and Pakistan are planning to link the Karakoram highway to the southern parts of Gwadar in Balochistan through the Chinese aided Gwadar Dalbandin railway, which extend to Rawalpindi. On 4th January 2010, the KKH was closed in the Hunza Valley, eliminating through traffic to China except by small bouts. A massive landslide 15 km upstream from Hunza's capital of Kadimabad created the potentially unstable Atabad Lake, which reached 22 km in length and over 100 meters in depth by the first week of June 2010. When it finally began flowing over the landslide dam, the landslide destroyed parts of the villages while killing many inhabitants. The subsequent lake displaced thousands and in The subsequent lake displaced thousands and inundated over 20 km of the KKH, including the 310 meter long KKH bridge 4 km south of Gulmit. It is highly questionable whether the lake, which reached 27 km in length in 2011, will drain. Goods from and to further north were transported over the lake by small vessels to be reloaded onto trucks at the other end. In July 2012, Pakistan began constructing a revised route round the lake at a higher elevation with 5 new tunnels with total length of 7.12 km and 2 new bridges. The work was contracted out to China Road and Bridge Corporation and was completed in September 2015. At 806 km in length, the Pakistani section of highway starts at Abbottabad, although the N35, which KKH is now part, officially starts from Hassan Abdal. The highway meets the Indus River at Thakot and continues along the river until Jaglot, where the Gilgit River joins the Indus River. This is where 3 great mountain ranges meet: the Hindu Kush, the Himalaya and the Karakoram. The western end of the Himalayas, marked by 9th highest peak in the world, Nanga Parbat or Killer Mountain, can be seen from the highway. The highway passes through the capital of Gilgit-Baltistan, Gilgit, and continues through the valleys of Nagar and Hunza. Along the Hunza River, some of the highest mountains and famous glaciers in the Karakoram can be seen in the section. The highway meets the Pakistani-Chinese border at Khunjerab Pass. So this was the brief information of Karakoram Highway or KKH, starting from Hassan Abdal and ending at Khunjerab Pass at Pakistani side, and in China it ends up at Xinjiang. So hope to see you in my next vlog or next documentary. Till then, goodbye, take care.